ferocious, the most explosive, macadocious, potentest, braggadocious, vocalist, going postal, toast to both coasts from Oakland to Hoboken, holding my supposed foes with hypnosis. I'm going toe to toe with these soulless, totally bogus, swollen don't show biz ass poses that don't show no emotion. Hold my folks close, but hold my foes closer than coats on clothespins. I don't know if you noticed, but when I strolling through the dome, my opponents was frozen like a yeoman on a boat that's in the ghost ship in the ocean. Eyes bulging wide open like a goldfish. I told them, homie, love it, get dosage. I go back like throwback stones or zirconias. I go back like homeroom boners over Walona. And I go back like envelopes with no postage. I told y'all could hold my own. Now you know it. Homie, acting belligerent, taught me you want an incident involving fisticuffs. Listen up closely, I can't be pissed at you. No, that's only ambitious, this talking. But since we on the issue, let's just discuss this a moment. You shouldn't listen to all these critics.